Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to look at the Lewis structure of CSe2, which is a chemical formula of carbon diselenide. For the Lewis structure, let's count up the total number of valence electrons. We have one carbon atom having 4 valence electrons and 2 selenium atoms having 6 valence electrons. This will give us a total of 16 valence electrons. Let us see the arrangement of atom. We will put carbon in the center as it is the least electronegative element among the two, and we will arrange 2 selenium atoms around it. For the arrangement of electrons, we will put pair of electrons between the atoms for bond formation. This way we have used total of 4 valence electrons out of 16. Let us put 6 on each selenium atom to complete the octet. But if we do this, only selenium atom will have fulfilled outer shell and carbon still needs 4 more. To do so, we will shift 2 electrons from each selenium atom to in between carbon and selenium. This is a final Lewis structure of CSe2. For more such videos, make sure to subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.